Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peggy. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own 90s vintage high-waist pleated pants. To be honest, these pants definitely not a super beginner tutorial. I've been doing a lot of beginner tutorial, but I wanted to do something a little bit more advanced. There are high-waist trousers with plait in the front and then the little side seam pocket. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and I think it will be fun to make it together. For today's tutorial, I'm choosing silky and smooth texture for my pants. I love silky. It can be styled for every fashion level, no matter what's your personal style. The effortless day-to-night style is one of the biggest trends. An ode to 90s workwear, this pant has been crafted from silky-soft for the breathable and comfortable tan seasonal staple that glides effortlessly across the body. Featuring a high-wrist fit and plaited waist, combine a muscular look with a truly feminine feel. You can pair it with a blazer for a sophisticated statement. Let's get started. perfect high-waisted vintage pants from the 90s. I'm so in love with the menswear inspired vibes. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!